Hi everyone, welcome back again to my channel. So guys, in today's video I have a Chanel unboxing today. I got this one. I finally visited to Chanel boutique in Manchester, and as you can see on my blog that I finally 2 hours waiting for them. That it takes me 2 hours, guys. Is that long that you can get in the store now, not like before. First come first serve, but at least I managed to get something in there. I was actually looking for a mini wallet on chain, but the problem is they don't have any stock in there because of the pandemic. And so yeah, and my AC told me that she's gonna text me if they have available in store, so at least I will have that. And also I will do a what fits of these small leather goods in here. As you can see, it's a beautiful camella. I always love Chanel packaging, guys. And it comes with this beautiful ribbon. So let's do unbox now. And this is my receipt. Okay, let's move that a little bit. So this is my receipt, and actually I'm looking also for like 21C or 21S collection, but they don't, like I said, they don't have much available in Manchester than in London. So this is a beautiful box. Of course, another beautiful camella. Let's see this, guys. So there she is. Let me move a little bit of my camera. So this is the item. Are you guys ready? This is actually she said last year collection. Of course, it comes with this booklet, as always does, Chanel is. So a beautiful suede Chanel dust bag. So the item, guys, is, oh yes, another card holder again. I mentioned that this is my last card holder, but you know, in my wish list I am looking for a Chanel red color. I seen one, this zip card holder. This is, by the way, Chanel zip card holder, and maroon color. It has 1, 2, 3, and in the front it has the biggest compartment in here for, I probably put a cash in here if I have to. And it has also this zipper compartment here, which is I can put the coins. And this is, yeah, this is from last year collection, guys. That's what she said to me. And this is a silver hardware. So yeah, and it has this 21S collection for this, the red one. It's like more like red orange, but the problem, guys, is this stitching around here is, I see like a dirt mark. She said it's just from stitching. It's because it's a caviar leather and maybe it has a mark like that. And also I saw it's like I don't know what is that one, is a stitching around here. It's not good as well. So that's why I really love that color. You know, I'm looking for a red card holder or a red bag, but I guess it's not luck for me to have that color. Because it's really hard to get, especially some of the items on Chanel. So yeah, there you go, guys. It's a beautiful card holder. I'm glad that I picked this one. And also I like the other, like a grayish color, but my hubby told me just get this one since I don't have this kind of color. So yeah, and besides, this color is every season. Okay, so let's go on what fits of this one, guys. Let me remove this here. By the way, guys, this card, it has, you can actually it has like a space that you don't have to be struggle uh, to put the cards in and out. I have a flat card holder from YSL. It's struggled to in and out for that. So this time I will put 2 at a time with this. Let's see, guys. So this in the end is, I will leave this one and I'll put this another 2 over here. Yeah, it's actually fit 2 each of the card slot. Put the other one in there, and I will put, I have some coins in here, guys. Let me see. Get coins in here. Let me put that. And by the way, this is made in Spain. So look at that, guys. It looks so, it's stretched out in here if you put coins and a lot of cards. Let me see if I can close that. Well, it doesn't really, as you can see that this one, it's more higher than this side, which is I like with this one because you can, you know, has this space in here that you can stretch. The other side, it's not just like the stitching on the side. So I guess if I ever use this one, guys, I probably use this one at a time, just one card. So I only gonna use one each card on the slot, so it doesn't stretch. One I probably can use, I probably put my ID in here so it's easy for me when I look. So I have cash in here. That's, I'm gonna stack up my cash with this, using with this pastilla. So if I need to bring this, I will also can put the cash in here like that. It's actually stretching out the card holder. Let me see, move this one and put to the, and he removes. I don't think this one, it will put all these coins. Maybe you can, but not a lot of coins, guys, because it does look like stretch out the card holder. So I probably use as a cash with this. Let's see. There you go. It fits the cash. So yeah, you can still put a cash in there. Maybe not a lot. So just bring that stuff in there like that. And make sure that it was not looking bulky. So there you go, guys. I don't mind like that. So I wish to make it the same as this one. It would be perfect, isn't it? What do you think, guys? So the zipper, actually, it has this like not evenly in there. Maybe because I put the coins, and yeah, it's make the zipper not looking good. So I guess I'm not gonna put, like I said, I not advisable to put coins in there. Even this one, it's for coins. I just rather to put the cash in there. So I can put another card, put my card on this side. So yeah, that's pretty much, you can fit on this card holder. If you don't put any cash, guys, maybe you can add more to each for this, like on the back of the slot card holder. Let me see if I can, how many card can fit in the 1, 2, 4 in here. I got 4 in here, guys. Let's see. I just slide that way because it seems like if I put like that, it won't be fit. So I just slide like that. So it's fit the 4, but I don't really like it stretch out in here. As you can see, guys, it does stretch to put the card in here. It probably gonna ruin the leather. So I probably move this to like that. So at least they have the one at the end. So yeah, I put that one in this side and that one to the other side. So that's what it looks like, guys. So yeah, you can put more cards in there if you just bring all your cards, like business card. It probably fits a business card as well for this. So yeah, I really love this maroon color, even though I'm looking for a red, but at least this is still red color. So I'm hopefully, finger crossed, that I try my step myself. I try to stop myself not buying anymore. Oh my god, I can't help it if they have beautiful card holder. So guys, that's it for my what fits of this card holder and unboxing, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.